Chhattisgarh Public Service Commission is responsible for conducting combined competitive exams for the recruitment on various state government posts. The selection process is held in 3 stages: Prelims Exam, Main Exam and Interview. Today we are going to talk about CGPSC exam for various government jobs. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and this is Youth for Work. If you want to know the eligibility, exam pattern and tips to crack the CGPSC exam, then you must watch the playlist till the end. Now let us talk about the eligibility for CGPSC exam. The nationality of the candidate must be Indian. The candidate must have a bachelor's degree or its equivalent in any discipline from a recognized university. The maximum age limit is 33 years. For SCs or STs, maximum age limit is 38 years. For OBC candidates, it is 35 years. Now we will discuss the exam pattern for CGPSC exam. The exam is conducted for 200 marks. CGPSC exam is divided into 2 papers, Paper 1 and Paper 2. Paper 1 consists of 100 questions on general studies. Paper 2 consists of 100 questions on aptitude test. Time duration of each paper is 2 hours. There is negative marking of 0.33 marks for each wrong attempt. The link of the entire syllabus is given in the description below. Let us now talk about a few tips and tricks for CGPSC exam. Make a practical timetable and prepare according to it. Prepare well for aptitude test with time limit, speed and accuracy. Practice sample papers or previous year papers. Read newspaper editorials regularly to improve on your general awareness. Use PrepGuru app of Youth for Work for the preparation of written test. The link of the app is given in the description below.